Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. In today's video we will solve a very interesting Olympiad math problem, that is t times t minus t into t equals 100. You have to find the value of t. So how we will start solving this question? First of all, we will write this as t cube minus t squared equals 100. Now this will become as t cube minus t square minus 100 equals 0. Now we will use a technique here. According to that, we know that 125 minus 25 equals 100. Why this we will substitute? Because 125 is the cube of 5 and the 25 is the square of 5. So we will write t cube minus t square minus as 125 minus 25 equals 0. Then t cube minus t square minus 125 written as 5 cube, 25 written as 5 square equals 0. We will arrange this t cube minus 5 cube minus t square plus 5 square equals 0. Now we will write this as t cube minus 5 cube minus taken as common t square minus 5 square equals 0. Now we will apply the important formula, that is a cube minus b cube equals a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, and in this we will apply this formula, a square minus b square equals a minus b into a plus b. So we will use these formulas here and get the answer as t cube minus 5 is t minus 5 into t square plus 5t plus 25 minus t minus 5 and t plus 5. Take t minus 5 as common. Remaining is t square plus 5t plus 25 minus t and minus 5 equals 0. T minus 5 and this is t square, 5t minus t is 4t, 25 minus 5 is 20 equals 0. We have two values, t equals 5 and t square plus 4t plus 20 equals 0. On this we will apply the quadratic formula. So t equals 5 is the first root and the t square plus 4t plus 20 equals 0. So a equals 1, b equals 4 and c equals 20. So t equals minus b means minus 4 plus minus b square, 4 square minus 4 of ac, a is 1 and c is 20 divided by 2. So t equals minus 4 plus minus 4 square is 16 minus 4 times 20 is 80 divided by 2. So what will it become? 80 minus 16 is 64. So we will write t equals minus 4 plus minus root of minus 64 divided by 2. T equals minus 4 plus minus 8 iota square, 8 square divided by 2. So we have t equals minus plus minus 8 iota divided by 2. Then it will become t equals minus 2 plus minus 4 iota. Now we will write our final answer that we get from this is, write the final answer here. T equals 5 t equals minus 2 plus minus 4 iota. This is the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Maths Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem. Keep learning, keep growing. Watch you in the next video. Stay tuned.